What's up, Tumbos? It is your captain here, Triple Storm, and if you're a creator like me, you most likely woke up to see this message. Now, I'm not sure if creators that are not a part of the YouTube partner program got this, but I know that I, as a YouTube partner, as a YouTube creator who is a part of the YouTube partner program, I am monetized. I did receive this email from Google, and it says started in March and rolling out over the next few months, you will have a new way to view your YouTube earnings. What does this mean? For users who only earn from YouTube, you will view your earnings in a new YouTube payment account accessible from your payment page. So you would click payments and you'd be able to find that. For users earning AdSense revenue from both YouTube and other properties, which includes like email addresses, probably if you have mobile apps that run ads through AdSense, and any other way that you would monetize a different piece of content, you could use that. Instead of combining earnings in one payment account, YouTube earnings will appear in a separate payment account. So you'll have your YouTube earnings, and then you'll have earnings from all the other areas that you run ads from AdSense. What do I need to do? No action is needed moving forward. All your YouTube earnings will be posted to your YouTube payments account and existing from your payment or custom payment threshold will automatically be applied, which means the YouTube payment threshold is 100 US dollars. So once you've gotten to that 100 US dollars, then you would have meet that threshold, and then you could get payments. So all the payments will be applied. The amount you earn, what will this impact my earnings? The amount you earn will not change, and your YouTube earnings will be posted in your YouTube payments account. You will continue to be paid whenever the account reaches the payment threshold. So that's $100 or more. Whenever, as long as you hit that, you will be paid. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. If you have unpaid YouTube earnings, those will be transferred to the new YouTube payments account, which means, say for example, you have $10 or $15 or even $30 that is unpaid, and you're worried that you might lose that money. You won't lose it. That money will be transferred over to the new payment system. So if you make, let's say, another $60 this month, or let's say $70 this month, then you'd hit the threshold because all the earnings that you previously had would be transferred over to this new payment method. So that is for the unpaid one. Previously paid YouTube earnings will remain associated with your YouTube AdSense payment account. So that means if you've been previously paid from AdSense, that data will still be there for you to look through, and then you can see which months you've earned more, which months you've earned less, and then you can match that data with the amount of work that you've put into YouTube to actually see what the differences are. Now, if you're like me, that as I said, that you are monetized, then you would have noticed that you have a estimated earnings. This is what you actually get paid. So pretty much once you've hit this mark, YouTube will pretty much pull a percentage from that. And then when it hits close to the transfer time, I like to call it, they will send a percentage of that amount to your account, and then from that amount, then AdSense will take their taxes from it, and then whatever is left from that will get transferred directly to your bank account. So it's kind of a situation where you just have to just make the best videos that you can, monetize them, and hopefully you make as much money as you can, and the rest just kind of works itself out. So that was just a quick update on what the new AdSense changes are. As soon as they get implemented, I'll do another video on that to let you see what it looks like. And if you need more tips and stuff, I am actually working on a new channel which will strictly be for how to grow your YouTube channel, how to manage your YouTube channel, and how to understand analytics and all the data that you get from YouTube and AdSense, so you can be a better creator and make more money from YouTube more consistently. So that was it. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I do a video, a live stream, giveaways, or little tidbits like this. This is Triple S Storm. Stay one by Atumbo and take care.